The structure of the diamond seems very simple. A single element constitutes its composition as carbon. The curious thing is that other minerals such as graphite or many other organic substances also have carbon as their main element. So, what is the key to these magnificent properties such as shine or external hardness? The key is in its internal structure, in the way the carbon atoms are arranged. A compact structure with a cubic order and very strong covalent chemical bonds. But during the millions of years it takes for natural diamonds to reach us, they are subject to intruders entering their composition, causing internal stress. This causes certain defects that in many cases do not diminish the beauty of the diamond. But with the help of certain instruments we can discover them and with them determine their natural origin and distinguish them from those created in the laboratory. The HSL identification kit allows this tension to be detected, and diamonds observed with this lens show clear evidence of them. The kit consists of the three lens and light source. Both the lens and the light source are equipped with the necessary device for analyzing these characteristics. This is a standard jeweler's loupe, but it comes with the necessary equipment. The observation should be made by illuminating the stone from behind with the light source provided in the kit. The kit contains a larger 10x magnifying glass, which allows you to change the viewing position more easily. The articulate magnifying glass is ideal for taking photos or videos with the help of your mobile phone. The advantage of using a mobile phone is that you can view diamonds at much higher magnification. In the app, you can find general information about the kit and what should be seen inside the diamonds. To learn how to identify natural diamonds from lab-grown diamonds, the app features a game to help you. If you need it, you can ask our expert for help by sending the photos taken with your mobile phone.